To use announce notifications on iPhone, start by making sure your device is running iOS 15 or later. This feature allows Siri to read out your notifications, keeping you informed and hands-free. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and select Siri in search. From there, scroll down and toggle on Listen for Hey Siri and allow Siri when locked. This will enable Siri to listen for your voice commands and function even when your iPhone is locked. Next, go back to the Settings app and select Notifications. Scroll down to the bottom and select Announce Notifications. Here, you can toggle on Announce Notifications and choose which apps you want Siri to read out notifications from. You can also specify the context in which Siri will announce notifications, such as when you are wearing AirPods or other supported headphones. This way, you can control when and how Siri announces your notifications. To further customize Announce Notifications, you can also go to the Siri and search settings and select Announce Notifications. From there, you can choose the apps you want to prioritize and the ones you want to mute. When a notification arrives, Siri will read it out to you, allowing you to stay informed without needing to physically check your iPhone. You can also respond to messages by speaking to Siri, making it easy to stay connected and hands-free. Best practices for using Announce Notifications include customizing the apps and contexts in which Siri announces notifications, and using the feature in conjunction with other iPhone accessibility features. By following these steps and tips, you can get the most out of Announce Notifications on your iPhone and stay connected and informed on the go.